Today I'm going to show you how to make a really easy vegan kale pesto using just all of these ingredients, and as always I've written a full blog post which I'll leave down below, which will have all of the full instructions that you can click through to pin, bookmark and save for whenever you want to make this recipe. And make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos and comment too, let me know when you give this recipe a try. So let's quickly chat through the ingredients and then we'll get on and make it. And I'm going to be using my NutriBullet to make it today, and what we've got nutritional yeast. That's what I'm using for the kind of vegan cheesy flavor. I'm using 1 garlic clove, but feel free to use more. I'm using cashews as my nuts, but there's a whole selection of nuts you can use instead, which I'll leave in the recipe down below. I'm using salt. You could use salt and pepper or any other seasoning you like. I'm using extra virgin olive oil, but you can feel free to use whatever oil you usually use in your diet. And I've got kale. We've got curly kale over there that I'm using, but you could use spinach or basil. As I said, recipe down below will have loads of variations to make an easy vegan pesto. So let's get on and combine all the ingredients together. So I've got my blender cup here, and it's really a matter of adding all the ingredients one at a time into the blender cup. I've got first off half a cup of extra virgin olive oil, and next a third of a cup of those cashews. We'll add in the garlic, and you add in salt, pepper, your seasoning of choice to taste. I just like salt with everything. Okay, I'm getting there. And then for cheesiness, I've got a couple of tablespoons of my nutritional yeast going in. I love cooking with nutritional yeast. You've got that lovely cheesy flavor. It's full of B12 and loads of other vitamins. So we've got that, and finally we'll add in the kale. And I've got one enormous, you can do 1 to 2 cups of kale depending how green you want it. And now we'll pop it on to blend. So as I said, I'm using my NutriBullet, so I've popped everything straight into the cup, and we'll pop the lid on and then we'll turn it over and give it a good blend. And here we go. And stuff it every now and then, give it a little shake to get everything distributed evenly, and pop it on until it's all perfectly blended. And there you go, it's nice and smooth and creamy, and you can enjoy it raw like that or cook it. As in the blog post I'll leave loads of ideas, but I'm just going to pour it out to show you. So there you go. Oh, it smells so good. I'm going to actually just cook it up with some veggies. Oh, but you can enjoy it instead of using a tomato-y based sauce. You can enjoy it on your favorite pizza or on a pizza. There's just so many ways, but it'll all be in the blog post down below. Loads of ways to adapt the recipe and ways to enjoy this lovely vegan kale pesto. So it's dairy-free, vegan friendly, low carb, keto friendly, gluten free, everything. Just such a wonderfully versatile recipe. So thank you so much for watching this video today. Make sure that you leave a like and subscribe for more videos, and leave a comment. Let me know if you give this pesto sauce a try and how you adapt it to your tastes. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.